Hello everyone, I am Tapasya and I wanted to share a success story with all of you today. So, a few weeks back, I was having a conversation with some of my colleagues, and somewhere during the conversation, they complimented me on the way I speak, and they said that I speak really well. So, of course, I was happy when I received the compliment, but at the same time, I also wanted to know that why did they give me that compliment? What is it about my speech that makes them feel that I am a good speaker? So I went ahead and I asked them that what do you like about my speech and why do you say that I am a good speaker? And guess what they said? They said that the thing they liked about my speech is that my speech wasn't monotonous. That when I spoke, there were pauses, there were times where I emphasized on certain words, and when I did that, it actually brought their attention and their focus to the word or to the phrase that I was emphasizing. And basically, since I spoke in that way, whatever I wanted to communicate was very clear. So, yeah, my communication and the content that I wanted to deliver or send across through my speech was getting communicated very clearly. And then it reminded me that, the number of times that Michael has told us about inflections and how important they are. And obviously, my colleagues had I think my colleagues don't even know what inflections are, but I know what inflections are, and I know that what they liked about my speech was nothing but inflections. So this made me realize how important it is, and that is what can differentiate between a normal person who doesn't stutter and a good speaker. Because they did not go and compliment someone who does not stutter. They went ahead and complimented me because of the way I spoke. And this is a very, very important feedback I received from them, and I want I actually wanted to share this with all of you because I think this is a very, very helpful tip. And when you do that, people actually notice you and people actually like it when you speak in that way. So, inflections, very, very important. And always remember to include it or to I think if you simply follow everything that Michael teaches in the Pro 90D program, inflections are a big part of it. So when you follow everything in that course, you will automatically start inflecting and automatically it will become a part of the way you speak. So yeah, I guess that is all I wanted to share. I'm really happy about it, and so I thought that everybody should know about this feedback. So that's it. Bye bye.